Okay, so I'm feeling a little camera shy right now, but I'm having trouble with the tablet getting the movies to upload onto YouTube so I can get them to you. So I'm going to show you on the whiteboard here. We'll see how it goes, and let's get started. We're going to be doing these absolute value inequalities next. That's 5.5 of the textbook, and there are two instances. Now remember before when I said you can never have a positive, sorry, it's not polite to point at the camera, but remember when I said you can never have a positive number when you take it out of an absolute value sign. That's with equals. In some instances with absolute value equation inequalities, you can have all real numbers as a solution if you have a negative once you take it out of the absolute value sign. And it just takes a little bit of intuition and thinking about it. Hopefully you can see these problems pretty well. Right here, whenever you take this out of the absolute value sign, you're always going to get a positive number. So is a positive number ever less than a negative number? No, never. But over here, this is greater than. Now if I take this out of the absolute value sign, here I'm going to get a positive number. And here I'm going to get a positive number that's greater than negative 4. Can this happen? Yes, always. A positive number is always bigger than a negative number. Here, a positive number is never less than a negative number. That's never the case. So, with this one, any number we put in for x, whether it be a negative or a positive, when we take it out of the absolute value sign, it's going to be positive. Let's say negative 3, for instance. Okay? Negative 3 minus 7, we get negative 10. The absolute value of negative 10 is 10. So we get 10 is greater than 4. Yes, that checks out. 10 is definitely bigger than 4. Anything we put in here is going to be bigger than 4. But here, if we do the same equation here, and I'm using negative 3 as my example, negative 3 minus 7, I get negative 10. Take it out of the absolute value sign, and I get positive 10. Is positive 10 less than negative 4? No. So this is never the case. So this is always no solution, and this is always all real numbers. And I'm in a hurry because it's time to go home, so that's why I'm using these symbols. You can use these symbols, or you can write no solution, and here you can write all real numbers. And that's that. See you soon.